Hello kids. Let's learn small alphabet letter. Repeat after me. A. A for apple. B. B for banana. C. C for cherry. D. D for dolphin. E. E for elephant. F. F for frog. G. G for grapes. H. H for horse. I for iguana. J. J for jelly. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for quill. R. R for rhino. S. S for snake. T. T for tiger. U. U for unicorn. V. V for vegetables. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.